I just got my order from Lash Linx and I am so excited to try these on. So I have two different styles here. I have the N3s and the N4s, and I have each of them in 12 and 14 millimeters. Which ones I want to go in? N3s, N4s, N3s, N4s. Let's just go with the N3s. They look beautiful. So I also purchased their little lash scissors, and what I'm going to do is I'm first taking my 12s and I'm just going to cut each little section there. Sorry. I'm just gonna cut 2 for now, because what I'm thinking is I'm gonna do 2 12s, one on the inside, the outside, and then the rest we're gonna fill in with the 14s. So for my glue, I'm using actually my Lashify glue. I would have purchased from this company, but since I still have my Lashify glue, I just figured, let me go ahead and use this guy up. You know what? I need a mirror. So I'm kind of just going to brush on a thin layer as if I'm putting on mascara all over. I'm gonna do one eye at a time. Okay, so now we got that initial layer. I'm just gonna take this side of the Whisper Light Bond, and I'm just going to hit my outer corners. Here I am with my wand, grabbing my first 12. Now this, again, is a Lashify wand, but this company also has wands. And then we're gonna just place that right on the outer edge. So now I'm taking a 14, placing that right to the side. And this Lashify glue is awesome. I mean, it just sticks right away. And so far, these lashes are looking nice. Look how curled up they are. Okay, so another 14. And they're so easy to put on. These are looking really nice. Okay, so I went in with another 14, and now we're gonna finish off with a 12. If you want to stick. Running out of time, running out of time. Let's go to part 2 to finish up this eye.